What if you could earn Bitcoin just by being online? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we are checking out Madai's Azteco Start project, a platform that rewards your clicks, your time, and your attention. Let's see how it actually works and whether it's worth your time. So, what exactly is Madai and what is the Azteco Start project? Madai is a platform designed to reward online engagement, whether it's viewing content, clicking offers, or completing small tasks. The Ask Start program is one of Madai's initiatives that lets you earn Bitcoin vouchers as rewards for simple interactions. No apps to install, no personal data to share, and no complicated registrations. Basically, Madai turns your online activity into small crypto rewards, and it all starts from their official page. Alright, let's walk through how Azteco Start actually works step by step. Go to the official Madei link. Again, that's madei.com Azteco Start. Browse the available offers, ADS, or interactive tasks. And step 3, engage, click, view, or complete what's regular. Step 4, each interaction gives you Azteco Bitcoin vouchers as rewards. Step 5, once you collect enough, you can redeem those vouchers and convert them directly into Bitcoin. Everything happens seamlessly in your browser. There is no mining, no complex wallet setup, just enjoyment for rewards. But remember, your results depend on how active and consistent you are. So, what are the main advantages here? Passive earning. You can earn small amounts of Bitcoin while doing everyday online actions. Easy access, no registration or downloads required. Privacy friendly. You are not asked for sensitive personal data. Transparent. Rewards come in the form of verifiable Azteca vouchers. But as always in the crypto space, stay cautious. Always double check this site link. Research Madai's background and payment record. Be realistic. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Think of it more like a fun, low risk way to get started with Bitcoin. If you are planning to try Azteca Start, accumulate rewards before redeeming to save on conversation fees. Follow Madei's community updates for new campaign. And of course, never share your private keys or wallet info anywhere. So that's Madai's Azteco Start, a unique way to turn your time online into Bitcoin rewards. I'll be testing it further and sharing the actual results and payment proof soon. So make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss that video. What do you think about this project? Like the opportunity or just another gimmick? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss.